After years of dominating the foldable phone market, Samsung is now facing tough competition and needs to prove that its upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the best foldable phone. The pressure is on because other companies have caught up and Samsung's grip on the market is slipping. There are rumors that the next Galaxy Unpacked event will happen earlier this year, where the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are expected to be revealed. With many rumors about the new foldable phone, people have high expectations for this release. It's a big chance for Samsung to set a high standard for all foldable phones this year. Samsung can't afford another minor upgrade like last year's Z Fold 5, which faced tough competition from the OnePlus Open and Google Pixel Fold. Here are the most talked about rumored upgrades for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. For 5 versions, the Galaxy Z Fold had a screen that looked taller than other tablets, but the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might change that. It seems like it will have a wider screen on the outside, which will make it easier to hold. Leaked videos and pictures show this change. By making the phone wider, it will be thinner when folded and unfolded. This change will also make it easier to use apps on the bigger screen inside. In addition to the aspect ratio change, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might also get a feature from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a titanium frame. Since the phone is expected to be expensive, using this premium material makes sense. This change will make the Galaxy Z Fold 6 more durable. Instead of the aluminum frames Samsung has been using, titanium should be stronger and able to withstand drops and other damage better. One problem foldable phone users often face, especially with notebook-style ones, is the strain on the inner display. Samsung made improvements in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 with a gapeless hinge, but the Z Fold 6 might go even further with a trademark application for IronFlex. The filing only mentions that it's related to a foldable OLED display panel and a foldable smartphone. From the name, it seems like it could make the display more resistant to scratches, including from constant folding. It would be even better if Samsung also boosts the brightness of both screens. Notebook-style foldable phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 need a lot of power for multitasking and gaming. Unlike the S24 flagship series, which uses 2 different processors, the Z Fold 6 will only use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, without any Exynos chips for other markets. This means no matter where you buy it, whether in the US or elsewhere, the Z Fold 6 will use Qualcomm's latest and best processor. It's a smart choice because this chip gives big performance boosts and battery improvements, as we've seen in phones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra and OnePlus 12.
Samsung Galaxy AI.
AI has been a big topic in consumer tech lately, and it's likely to play a significant role in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The recent One UI 6.1 update brought many Galaxy AI features, like generative edit and live translate, to older Galaxy devices, including the Z Fold 5. There hasn't been much information about new Galaxy AI features for the Z Fold 6 yet. It might get features related to flex mode like better multitasking, similar to the open canvas on the OnePlus Open. Exclusive Galaxy AI features could be a big selling point for the Z Fold 6, considering its high price. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.